I'm recording.
Hi guys! So today we are going down some of these trails. We're going to go down all of them. I don't know if it's going to be all in one video.
And don't forget to look at the playlist on this channel.
Yeah.
It's gonna be called. I'm gonna be making separating all the videos to and see what kind of adventures they are.
Yeah. So we're going to go down all these trails. We started recording because we thought it'd be a good video. Because we are thinking Damien's thinking there's probably going to be something down here.
Like side slide.
Yeah, if you guys don't know what that is, it is basically a slide that eats people.
He's a side slide.
Yeah, it's basically a slide.
A side slide is actually just
It's just a slide.
a side slide is just like the side. You know how like a playground is just two slides? A side slide and the main slide. Side slide is a side slide that eats
So
people.
we're going down the trail. It's giving me the creeps, and I feel like something's watching us. Do you feel like
I
something's
remember
watching
this
us?
cabin.
I feel like... No.
What?
No, wait. I don't think anyone's down there.
Can we go back up?
No. I feel like it's an abandoned... But I think people think people live. We have to go in there. We have
God,
to show
oh no.
What?
Somehow the video paused when we went down that trail. It paused when we went down that trail. I just played it.
We have to go back.
No, Abby. Can you at least summon someone?
Barry's with me, and she said she doesn't see anyone. She said that there was someone in there, but they just left because Barry scared them off.
Isn't Barry supposed to be like a thing? What's the hauntings nicknames again? Thing, ghost, and demon, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, she's like an angel. No, I've actually seen this. One night there was this demon in my room, and so then Barry's spirit went close to it, and it just got scared and it ran. It literally just
That's a
flew
haunting.
away.
That's what hauntings too. Hauntings are protections from magical beings. So I think shadow might be a haunting, or I don't know.
Barry says that no demon can go close to her. And if they get too close, they will end up vanishing forever.
Guys, somehow the phone paused.
Yeah, we were going down here. We heard a little girl laughing. We
We heard
saw
a
a girl.
whisper.
We saw a girl in that cabin down there.
It could be a whisper ghost. And
We heard something go.
everybody knows only whisper ghosts do that. No, can we? Hey, wait.
Jeez, what is that? Look,
We're leaving.
there's a lawnmower over there, and I saw something next. We have to
Ab-
look. We have to look.
No, Abby, remember, this is when I was having my birthday party. Remember?
Yeah. I didn't tell anyone, but while we were here, I heard something down in the woods where we were going with the horses. I heard something down there.
Okay, we're leaving.
No, come on, we have to look. We have
Abby.
to hear us.
Yes, but what happens if we go?
Barry will scare them off. Come on, what are you so scared of?
Remember, some days I'm sensitive.
There's a ghost down there, very funny.
Remember, some days I'm sensitive.
Yeah. There's a ghost home down there. It's a whole family, and they're not very nice ghosts. But Barry knows them, and they are not good friends. They're enemies, and they hate each other. And they don't like us. So
What happened to the birthday plate? We're leaving. It could be a bear.
Barry knows there's a ghost family down there, and they hate us. And there's this little girl, and this is what she looks like. She is black. Well, she has a white skin with black veins. You can literally see them popping out with a white dress with blood on it.
It sounds like
with black hair.
It
that
sounds
goes
like
over her
Shadow's
face.
little sister.
It's not. That is the worst demon ever. And what?
Something just walked through that grass.
Did you see that? No, it was behind the cabin. It was behind the cabin. Run. I can hear something. Barry says something's following us.
Okay, can we head back now? We can stop it.
Yeah, that's good for today. I can't. Barry says there's something down there that's following us. No. No, I saw the little girl back in that thingy over there.
You want to say bye, everyone?
Yeah. Bye, guys. This was so scary. There's something in that woods. We can't really tell anyone. So if you're seeing this, keep it a secret. Even though all of our viewers are going to see this, just don't tell any of your family members. This was so creepy.
Bye.